There are also 5 different options for tops, 2 different wheels, and the option to add body color fenders. Plus, if you're feeling extra fancy, you can add keyless entry and an Alpine audio system. Options may change when other engines become available, but at least for now, the cheapest 2-door Wrangler Sport the configurator would let us build came out to $28,190 after adding the $1,195 destination charge. A fully loaded 4-door Rubicon, on the other hand, came out to $56,110, meaning it costs only slightly less than twice what the base model does.